Welcome back to Moter Insight. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Yamaha TT-R230, a trail bike that perfectly blends beginner-friendly control with Yamaha's legendary off-road reliability. Whether you're a new rider or an experienced trail enthusiast, this bike continues to prove why it's one of the best choices in the off-road world. Design and build quality. The 2026 Yamaha TT-R230 stays true to its rugged, simple, and efficient design. It's not overloaded with unnecessary features. Instead, it focuses on durability and functionality. The bike features a compact steel frame that delivers excellent balance and stability, especially on uneven trails. Its slim bodywork and narrow seat make it easy to grip and maneuver, while the bold Yamaha blue color scheme adds a sporty and aggressive look. Every element of the TT-R230 is built for the dirt, from its high ground clearance to its long travel suspension. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2026 TT-R230 lies a 223 cubic centimeters air-cooled, 4-stroke single-cylinder engine. It's tuned for smooth, predictable power delivery, making it perfect for new riders learning throttle control or experienced ones looking for a lightweight play bike. The engine provides enough torque to climb steep trails while maintaining manageable performance on flat terrain. Its electric start system ensures easy ignition every time, no need to kick and struggle, just push and go. Suspension and handling. The TT-R230's handling is one of its strongest points. Yamaha equips it with long travel suspension, a 37mm front fork with 8.7 inches of travel and a rear single shock with 8.4 inches of travel. This setup absorbs bumps, rocks, and jumps effectively, offering a smooth and controlled ride. Its lightweight design, at just over 250 pounds, gives the rider an agile and confident feel. Turning corners, climbing inclines, or navigating obstacles feels natural and effortless. The low seat height of around 34 inches makes it accessible for riders of varying heights, further adding to its friendly nature. Price and availability. For 2026, the Yamaha TT-R230 is expected to come in at an estimated price of around $4,699, making it one of the most affordable full-size trail bikes in its category. It will be available across Yamaha dealerships in the USA with standard Yamaha blue color options and optional accessories for trail protection and style customization. Final verdict. The 2026 Yamaha TT-R230 isn't about extreme performance or cutting-edge technology, it's about dependable fun. It's simple, tough, and versatile. Perfect for beginners learning the ropes, families exploring trails, or experienced riders looking for a low-maintenance off-road companion. Thanks for watching Moter Insight, your trusted source for the latest motorcycle reviews and updates. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting bike reviews and insights.